From Fox 5 News, it's time for more Good Day New York.
Coming up, we are going to hear
the bone broth diet.
Oh, we're going to do bone broth?
Yeah, have you heard about it?
It's supposed to be very good for losing weight.
All right, so you're looking at primarily a bowl there, but inside is broth derived somehow from bone. We'll learn all about this thing, and yeah, you can lose weight and smooth out your skin.
Oh.
Hey, baby, we've been on the phone.
Hello. All right, tips on becoming a slimmer, younger, and healthier me or you.
Sign me up.
Dr. Kellyan's bone broth diet. She is a certified nutrition consultant with a huge celebrity following.
By the way, the trend is all about bone broth, and Dr. Kellyann Petrucci. It's so nice to have
Thank you. I'm so happy to be here.
So what is it? I mean, because sometimes when I do the broth, I use like the little bouillon cubes.
No, we're done with the bouillon. It's out now.
No bouillon.
Yeah, no bouillon. So all these Americans, they're throwing out the bones, and what I say is don't throw the bones away. That's where all the good stuff is. The bouillon cubes, they don't have that in there. They don't have the deep nutrition. And that's what we want. See, the thing is, you want low-calorie, high nutrition. That's how your body really fuels itself.
How did you figure this out?
Because I hit a wall when I turned 40. Like so many people. Here I was, a clinician on the floor, did really well with patients in the solutions business, solving all these problems. Yet when I turned 40, bam, I hit a wall. And bone broth brought me back to life. And what I did was I tested it on so many people, and the results were typical. So that got my attention.
Does it matter what kind of animal the bone comes from? I see you got a bunch there.
There's chicken, beef. You want bones with a lot of cartilage. So when you use beef bones, they're going to have something in there called marrow. And the marrow is really good at building the blood. Gives you beautiful hair, beautiful skin. And I'll tell you, the bone broth has collagen in it. We want that collagen.
So you don't grind up the bones. You just let them boil in water.
So easy. You can even you can even take a chicken carcass, toss it in a pot.
Can we just call it a chicken?
Chicken. We'll stick with chicken.
Yeah, because when you say
really
that,
chicken carcass, the cow cadaver.
Listen,
no.
when you see the results, the ooh factor, the uck factor is gone.
So how much do you have to drink of this?
2 cups a day. 2 cups a day, and you start seeing the results. And the results are this. Here are the benefits that you're going to get. Better skin. You're going to heal your joints. It's got a lot of properties in there that heal the joint. You're going to become slimmer. You're going to become younger. Gelatin, collagen, all of these things make your skin beautiful and help you lose weight.
And it's not a bowl of soup. You've got these in cups, basically, here, right?
Is this beef?
This is beef. This is chicken.
I'll try a little chicken.
I'll try a little bit of beef. Cheers, babe.
2 cups a day. That's all you need.
That's it. Now,
that's how you start.
And I know you have recipes in the book.
Yeah.
So there's other things that you could make with the broth.
Spicy meatball soup. This is absolutely delicious, and you get all the benefits of the broth in the soup, which is tremendous. And it tastes absolutely delicious. You'll love this. This is for all the Italian food lovers out there.
I love that.
Fabulous.
Listen.
This is like we call it the wedding soup.
The wedding soup, Italian wedding soup.
I know.
So you can take any food that you have, that you want to jazz it up, throw some broth in there. It's delicious, and you get all of those benefits. You know, it's got amino acids in there, which really build the body. It's got great protein, healthy fats, collagen, gelatin. What more could you ask for in a cup?
All right, Dr. Kellyann, we are pretty much sold.
How many calories in this?
This one probably had 50 calories.
50 calories in this?
Yeah, and a ton of nutrition.
Okay.
You can't go wrong.
Do you substitute a meal for this? And I mean, how does this work?
Before a meal. It's not about taking out. You put this in, and you'll eat less of the meal. So I have it before meals, and it really reduces the amount of food that you actually eat.
An appetite suppressant.
Yes, exactly, in a cup.
All right, and then those bones, we can give them to dogs. We can give them to...
Is that okay?
Anyone that will take them.
You're not a vet, but how do you feel about giving the dog a bone?
I think it's wonderful because they're getting all the marrow, they're getting the collagen, everything they need. Good for their joints.
Is marrow liquid or is it a solid?
It's a solid.
It is a solid.
It is a solid.
You ever wonder about that?
I don't have marrow. I'm sorry.
It's really good for building the blood. This is all ancient healing remedies that have worked for so long. And now I'm just bringing it back on the table.
Okay, one more time, Dr. Kellyan's Bone Broth Cookbook. More than 125 recipes to help you lose pounds, inches, and wrinkles. We'll work on Rosanna getting over the psychological hurdle of the marrow.
Anyway, thank you so much to meet. So nice to meet you. And everybody's talking about this book. All right, when we come back.